Hello, Sage reporting for Kalkine. Thank you for joining us, but please stay tuned for this pulsing news topic from the world of business and finance. Will the Australian government listen to Google's pleas for renegotiating the media bargaining codes? Google claims that the media bargaining code could reduce diversity in the internet and cause woes for many small businesses. As it presently stands, Google is the dominating force in the search engine and internet advertising sectors. But if Google stops functioning in Australia when the new codes, as they stand, become laws, would it open up more diversity for smaller search engines, or would another behemoth step into its place and dominate instead, such as Microsoft? Microsoft met with Prime Minister Scott Morrison and Federal Communications Minister Paul Fletcher last week and are in full support of the new media bargaining codes, which have been developed in response to targeting unfairness in the cash flow between digital platforms and Australian news companies. Microsoft also urged that they would never threaten to remove their services from Australia if the new codes become enforceable. Google holds a strong 94% of the share of the search engine market, and it states its mission is to assist the searching process through the vast World Wide Web, through streamlining and allowing small to medium enterprises to create income streams through advertising on their platform. They believe they are true pioneers to the democratic undertones relating to the purpose of the internet at its genesis. Google is currently attempting to renegotiate terms of the media bargaining codes, requesting renegotiation or recognition for their existing news showcase initiative, in which they have invested $1 billion into new partnerships and have up to 400 partners as it stands. Google's digital growth program, which has been operational for several years, implements responsible practices of paying news publishers for their stories and considers the shrinking revenue in that sector of the economy. Microsoft's Bing only has 3.62% of the search engine market, and Apple also holds a significant share of the internet advertising sector. Internet users now typically have to pay to access the news. Could the new media bargaining codes then create ramifications where internet users have to buy subscriptions to search engines as well to cover their costs? This could limit the amount of news that is accessible to all people in a constituency, leading to increased imbalances of power in the community. It will be interesting to see how the Australian government reacts to Google's recent pleas to make adjustments to the codes as they currently stand before they become enforceable. Thanks for joining us. This is Sage reporting for Kalkine.